Today we will be installing a Reese fifth wheel hitch mounting adapter kit, part number 30156. This adapter is used to mount a standard fifth wheel hitch into any truck with a Reese Elite underbed fifth wheel mounting system, or Ford trucks with a factory installed tow package. To prepare for and ensure a quick, quality installation of this Reese fifth wheel hitch mounting adapter, check all the parts against the parts list included with the instructions. This will also help you to become familiar with the parts in the kit. During this installation, we'll be using the following tools. We'll begin the installation by assembling the 4 anchor bushings to the bottom of the adapter's frame. With the adapter frame upside down, place an anchor bushing through one of its slots. Secure the bushing against the frame with a 1-inch jam nut, making sure that the bottom of the anchor bushing is positioned so that it will align with the truck's puck mounting system when the adapter is placed in the truck. Tighten the anchor assembly until there's no vertical movement when the bushing is seated against the bottom of the adapter frame. Once the bushing is snug, torque the jam nut a final quarter turn. Repeat this process to assemble the 3 remaining anchor bushings and jam nuts. Next, we'll assemble the 4 T-pins and handles. Position a handle underneath one of the jam nuts so that its locking tab protrudes through the slot on the inside of the adapter's frame. This places the handle in the locked position. Next, thread a T-pin through the hole in the anchor bushing and tighten it to the nut on the handle. Be sure to tighten the T-pin until there is metal-to-metal contact between the handle and the jam nut. Once the contact is made, loosen the T-pin 1.5 rotations so that the hole in the T-pin aligns with the slot on the handle. Using a linch pin, secure the T-pin to the handle. Repeat these steps to assemble the rest of the T-pins and handles. To complete the assembly of the adapter frame, insert the 4 end caps into the cross tube openings on the sides of the adapter frame. A rubber mallet may be helpful to ensure that end caps seat against the frame. Next, we'll install the Reese fifth wheel hitch mounting adapter into the bed of a truck. Start by removing all 4 puck plugs from the pucks in the truck bed. These can be stored for later use when the fifth wheel adapter is not installed. Rotate the adapter's handles to unlock the position and place the adapter into the truck's mounting system so that the adapter's T-pins drop into all 4 mounting pucks. Once the adapter is seated in the pucks, rotate its handles to the locked position. It's normal for some of the handles to have very little resistance, while others have a moderate amount of resistance when locking. When locking the adapter's handles, be sure that their tabs protrude through the slot on the side of the adapter's frame, and that these tabs overlap one another. Once the handles are in the locked position, secure them with a linch pin or lock. The installation of your Reese fifth wheel mounting adapter kit is now complete, and you are now able to mount and secure a standard fifth wheel hitch into the bed of your truck. However, each vehicle is unique, and there can be slight differences in mounting system puck positioning, even in trucks from the same manufacturer. If a fifth wheel mounting adapter does not correctly seat into the pucks of a truck's underbed mounting system, an adjustment to the T-pin bushing may be needed. To begin the adjustment, remove the fifth wheel mounting adapter from the truck's mounting system. Next, loosen all 4 1-inch jam nuts. While the jam nuts are loosened, place the adapter into the truck's mounting system so that its T-pins seat into all 4 pucks. With the adapter in place, retighten all 4 jam nuts until there is no vertical movement when the bushing is seated against the bottom of the adapter frame. To finish the adjustment, torque each jam nut 1 additional quarter turn. If you're unable to turn a handle to the locking position once the adapter is placed into the truck, an adjustment to the handle's tension is needed. Start the adjustment by removing the fifth wheel adapter from the truck's mounting system. Next, remove the linch pin securing the T-pin to the locking handle. Once removed, rotate the T-pin counterclockwise 1/2 rotation. To finish, secure the T-pin and handle back in place with the linch pin. If the handle is still too tight, additional half counterclockwise rotations may be needed until the handle closes with moderate to no resistance. To remove too much clearance between a locked adapter and the truck bed, remove the fifth wheel adapter from the truck's mounting system. Next, remove the linchpin securing the T-pin to the locking handle. Once removed, rotate the T-pin clockwise 1/2 rotation. To finish, secure the T-pin and handle back in place with the linchpin. If there's still too much clearance, additional 1/2 clockwise rotations may be needed to ensure a tight connection between the adapter and the truck's mounting system. That wraps up the installation of the Reese 5th wheel hitch mounting adapter kit, part number 30156. For more information on this and other great products from Reese, visit reeseproducts.com. Reese, pioneering performance.